Hello everyone. It's another edition of Victor Isibo Reviews. For the sake of all the first timers on this YouTube channel, my name is Victor Isibo, the face and the voice behind Victor Isibo Reviews. Here on this channel, we're in the business of making you a better version of yourself in all ramifications on a daily basis. If personal development and edification is something you find interesting, I invite you to subscribe to the YouTube channel. Turn on the notification icon so that you don't miss any of my subsequent videos. And to my returning subscribers and viewers, salute. It's a pleasure having you back on this YouTube channel. Today, we're going to be reviewing another make money online opportunity called Intelligence Prime Capital. IPC, Intelligence Prime Capital. So this is the presentation slide. Thank you for those that sent me the presentation slide. So right now we are on the presentation slide. It says the future of fintech and forex trading. Okay, and it says Intelligence Prime Capital, number 1, Young Street, Suite 1304, Toronto, on M5E 1W7. Okay, as a risk disclaimer for forex trading. The information provided to you during or after this presentation should at all times be considered general information concerning about forex trading. Under no circumstances should this presentation be considered as any type of solicitation, investment, or financial advice. This is a reminder for me as well, how I start my reviews presentation. I start with a disclaimer of my own. So this is a disclaimer. I'm not an investment advisor. This is just a review based on my personal opinion. I mean, I'm not an authority when it comes to investments, so do not take my word for it. Do your own due diligence. Invest only what you can afford to lose. I shall not be responsible for any profits made or any losses incurred as a result of you consuming my content. Now that we've gotten that disclaimer out of the way, we continue with this presentation. Okay, they said past performance is not indicative of future results. The high degree of leverage can work against you as well as for you. Before deciding to invest in foreign exchange, you should carefully consider your investment objectives, level of experience, and risk appetite. Okay, now they said how to choose the right trading method. Okay, so you have personal trading, you have copy trading, and you have the artificial intelligence analysis system. So very quickly, personal trading is for skilled traders. You know how to trade in the forex markets. You're skilled, and you can hold your own by trading for yourself. That's personal trading. And of course, the copy trading is, of course, when you it's an opportunity for you to mirror the trading activities of your favorite top traders. Okay, of course, you have the artificial intelligence analysis system where a robot is programmed to trade for you. Intelligence Prime Capital gives you the opportunity to do any of these 3 types of trading. Okay, and of course they have this artificial intelligence robot, which is the reason why we are here. But we go with them according to their presentation slide. Now they say Intelligence Prime Capital Limited company profile. Okay, they say Intelligence Prime Capital is an international company committed to providing global users with a comprehensive suite of digital asset services. We specialize in research and development into the future of fintech, such as quantitative trading, leveraged artificial intelligence trading systems, cloud storage systems, and enterprise management software. Okay, Basically, these guys are going to offer you an opportunity to trade with their robots. And earlier, we saw the name of the address of their physical location. We scroll back up. So this is the address they claim to be at. Number 1 Young Street, Suite 1304, Toronto on M5E 1WSE 1W7. Okay, let us profile that address and see what we got. So a quick Google check of this address. We just keep scrolling at what we found when we Googled that address. Now, here is opencoredata.com, referencing Intelligence Capital Limited. Okay, apparently this particular address is a big skyscraper, and of course you have a lot of companies there. And Open Core Data is an independent website, telling us that Intelligence Prime Capital is actually there. I think if we took our time to open, you see, Open Core Data is an independent website, telling us now that on this particular address you have Intelligence Prime Capital, the corporation number. It says Intelligence Prime Capital corporation number 13071 is a federal corporation entity registered with Corporations Canada. The incorporation date is June 2nd, 2021. Now I'm taking this information to be special because it's not an information that is coming from the website of Intelligence Prime Capital. This is an independent website referencing this matter. So you cannot say they have a bias in favor of Intelligence Prime Capital. This website is only doing their job by talking about one of the companies that is domiciled in this particular address. Okay, it goes further with more information about Intelligence Prime Capital. Okay, their registered office address, same as the one we are profiling. Their corporation status. See, this website is saying that their corporation status is active. Okay, we keep scrolling. Number of directors 1 to 10. Okay. The Canada Business Corporations Act, CBCA. So let's continue with the presentation slide. Now they said about us, Intelligence Prime Capital, about us, said IPCAPITAL is a Canadian company that has obtained a regulatory license from the Canadian Financial Regulatory Agency. We also hold a digital asset management license. In 2021, IPCAPITAL will officially launch our global financial products and digital assets trading platform, providing global users with a one-stop diversified financial service platform. Our AI analysis trading system, the AIboot system, works by aggregating market information, transaction volume, and other relevant data to accurately predict market trends. After several months of testing, the AIboot system has achieved an average win rate of 97%, setting a dazzling record. Now we are ready to serve individuals and enterprises as they navigate through the challenging financial markets. Okay, and of course, like I said earlier, they have a trading bot, a trading robot that is helping people smash the forex markets. And the experience of past and present users have been pleasant thus far. Okay, and they said that some of the countries, they said we have users and companies from 10 countries, including the US, United Kingdom, Canada, Singapore, Hong Kong, Taiwan, China, Nigeria, Cameroon, and Ghana. Okay, and of course, this is a copy of their Canadian registration certificate. Okay, the certificate of incorporation, Canada Business Corporation Act 13071961, as referenced in that independent open core data website that we went to. It's also here, and this address that we googled earlier is also here, 1 Yonge Street, Suite 1304, Toronto, M5E 1W7. Raymond Edwards is the director. Okay, I said Financial Transactions and Report Analysis Center of Canada, FinTrack. The Financial Transaction and Reporting Analysis Center, FinTrack, is Canada's financial intelligence unit. Established in 2000, FinTrack is an independent agency that reports to the Minister of Finance and is responsible to the Parliamentary Activity Center. Its mandate is to facilitate the detection, prevention, and deterrence of money laundering and financing of terrorist activities while ensuring the protection of the personal information under its control. Okay, FinTrack Registry details. Okay, so on the FinTrack website, here is a screenshot telling us about the registration of Intelligence Prime Capital. Okay, and they even put a link there, so let us follow the link as part of our due diligence to see what's in there. Okay, of a truth, on the website of the FinTrack, you can see the registration status of this Intelligence Prime Capital. They even have a registration number. Registration date is June the 15th, 2021, and the expiry of registration is 2024. Okay, main office or location of the company is the same as we googled earlier. There's even a phone number there, incorporation number, same as the one that we saw earlier. And date of incorporation, the jurisdiction of incorporation is Canada. Activities, foreign exchange dealing, money transferring, dealing in virtual currencies. Okay. Okay, so we're back on the presentation slide. FinTrack registry search details. Here is the certificate. The link is also there. Here is a link as well. Okay. The U.S. Digital Asset Regulatory License, the USMSB, Money Service Business License, is financial license supervised and issued by the FinCEP, the Financial Crime Enforcement Bureau, an agency under the U.S. Department of Treasury. Okay, it's a license for businesses and companies engaging in financial services. The certificate is there, and the link to the certificate to the registration is also here. Let us continue our due diligence by, for what is worth, visiting the link to confirm the registration details of this company with these relevant authorities. I'm taking my time, to do this review so that, we are in this together, okay? All the links, I click them and I wait patiently for them to load and open so that you see for yourself, okay? An official website of the United States government, okay? FinCEN.gov, Okay, so here, let's write Intelligence Prime Capital. Okay, and let's search and let's see what it comes up with. So it opens that they have Intelligence Prime Capital. In that search page now, we search Intelligence Prime Capital on the search page. Okay, the link opens to a search page where you're expected to write the name of the company, search it out, and it would come out. Okay, so it comes out exactly the way they said it is in this certificate here. Okay, Intelligence Prime Capital, the street is not in Toronto this time. This street is in America because this independent financial body registers with the United States address. Okay, that's it. And as we scroll further, you see the COO of Intelligence Prime Capital, Mr. Walter Stephan. Personally, Mr. Walter Stephan, I haven't been able to establish too much recognition, too much information about him outside Intelligence Prime Capital. Not too much information about him at the moment. Is the COO of Intelligence Prime Capital. That's his information there. Then Dr. Val NGSH is the CMO of Intelligence Prime Capital. Okay. The Chief Marketing Officer. Let us see what we found on him. This is the LinkedIn profile of the Chief Marketing Officer. Okay. Of course, you can see that he quoted it here by himself. That is the Chief Marketing Officer of Intelligence Prime Capital. So this is not a case of somebody claiming, or it's not a case of deception. Sometimes you see that they claim that somebody is so and so position in so and so company. You go to their LinkedIn profile, they are not referencing the company, and it seems all like it's a gimmick, like it's a lie. But here we can see that he referenced being Chief Marketing Officer of Intelligence Prime Capital on his LinkedIn. Okay. So going forward, they talk about world-class platform MT4. Okay, this is a trading software for financial products. Okay, in adopting MT4, Intelligence Prime Capital has chosen a world-class trading platform that can ensure that users' transactions are faster, more stable, efficient, transparent, and safe. Okay, so the Intelligence Prime Capital, they use MT4 as a means of trading in the forex markets with their robots. Okay, so you have to, register an MT4 account, then link it with your robot, fund your account, and the robot takes up the trade from there. Okay, this artificial intelligence algorithm seems to be highly technical, and so far so good. The experience of people who are partnering with this bot has been pleasant, as shown on the activities on their WhatsApp groups. The smart bot of $19.90, they said you can get up to 15% returns per month. The minimum deposit is $100, meaning that this $19.90 is just the activation fee. You then now have to fund for you to be able to trade, for your robot to be able to trade. Minimum of $100, maximum of $300. Okay. Auto trading 1 to 2 trades per day for the smart bot. Now the brilliant bot is $39.90 for activation fee, with a minimum deposit, of course, of $100, maximum of $1,000. Auto trading 1 to 3 trades per day. The Genius bot, which is of course No, the Brilliant Boat, like they say, offers you up to 30% returns per month. Now, the Genius Boat, 99 cents, $99.90 is the activation fee. You can get up to 45% returns a month. And the minimum deposit, of course, is $100. And the maximum for the Genius Boat is unlimited. Auto trading 1 to 4 trades per day. Now, you see that the minimum deposit across board is $100. Okay, but of course you get higher returns with the higher you go with the boats. So the best and most profitable boats from what we can see here is, of course, this one, the Genius Boat. Offers you the highest returns, the highest number of trades per day, and is more flexible with its maximum of any amount. So you can be on this Genius Boat. You have all it takes and all the advantages. It's just that you have to pay a subscription of about $100. So they talk about the AIboot system security deposit. They said 80% of all new deposit amounts will be allocated to the capital account. 20% will be allocated to the AIboot system security deposit account and wait for reclaims with interest generated daily. Number 2, they say all interest generated by the AIboot system will be allocated for profit sharing, with the allocation of 80% to the investors in the reward account and 20% to the company. Okay, and they said the AIboot system security deposit can be reclaimed with interest generated and will be allocated to the capital account, which can be withdrawn anytime. All reinvestment amounts will follow the same allocation of 80% for the capital account and 20% to the AIboot system security deposit account. Remark, for example, 20% of every new deposit will be allocated to the AIboot system security deposit account. If user A deposits $1,000, 20% or $200 will be automatically deposited into the AIboot system security deposit account. This is a security measure and a money management tactic that the system adopts. Okay, now we're talking about bonuses. Okay, the AIboot system bonus only applies to the first level of referrals. Okay, so it's not multi-level when it comes to the bonuses. The referrer will receive 10% AIboot system bonus for any purchase made through direct referrals. Okay, example, if user A refers user B to IPCAPITAL and user B purchases a Genius Boot for $99.90, user A will receive 10% of the purchase price, which is $9.90. Okay, so you receive from the activation money. Okay, the activation money paid by your direct referral, you receive from it. Sponsorship bonus only applies to the first level of referrals. Okay, so for the AIboot system subscription, the referrer will receive a 10% of the sponsorship bonus. For example, if user A refers user B and user B deposits $1,000 for the Genius Boot subscription, user A will be rewarded with 10% of the initial deposit amount, $100. Okay, so management bonus, of course, they have different levels. Level 1, 30%, level 2, 20%, level 3, 10%, levels 4 to 6, 5%, levels 7 to 9, 3%, levels 10 to 14, 2%, level 15 to 20, 1%. Okay, so the rankings are leader, which is a personal sales of $100, a supervisor, $500, personal sales, group sales, $1,000, levels, level 2, up to shareholder director. Said the management bonus is based on the ROI generated from the AIboot system subscriptions. So these are the 4 steps to earn with IPCAPITAL. Purchase and subscribe to AIboot system and start receiving daily profits. Refer new friends to purchase an AIboot system to receive AIboot system bonus. Users will receive a sponsorship bonus when new users subscribe to the AIboot system. Enjoy up to 20 levels of management bonus once the user receives shareholder director ranking. Okay, here is the point where I give my final say about this company. Here's the conclusion to this video, where I give my conclusion about this company. From what I have seen so far, I think that this company did a good job by registering with the relevant authorities in their jurisdiction, like we have seen with the certificates and the links that we followed confirming the same details as reflected on the company's presentation slides. And again, I am impressed with the fact that the address that they claimed on their website and in their presentation slides was endorsed and confirmed by an independent body. An independent body tells us that they're actually where they claim to be. And of course, I profiled the CEO, Chief Operating Officer. Information about him was sketchy. I was redirected to a LinkedIn profile of a particular Walter Stephan. There's no picture there for me to confirm that he is the one. And of course, the work experience does not reflect that he's the CEO or is the COO of Intelligence Prime Capital. But Mr. Val SHNG, who is the Chief Marketing Officer, as claimed by Intelligence Prime Capital, I could confirm with the LinkedIn profile we saw together that is actually in existence and holds the position of the Chief Marketing Officer. So that is a legitimate claim on their side. And I must say that the compensation plan, from the little I saw from it, where you earn only from your direct referral, except of course their management bonus pool where you earn 14 levels deep, their direct referral bonus for both package and investment is direct referral only. You're not earning 5 levels deep, because the compensation plan shows you the loopholes where all the money is going to. So their compensation plan doesn't have too many loopholes or leakages for money, which I find kind of impressive. So with this, putting all this together, I think I would rate this company a 6/10, because they have been able to establish to us that they actually exist in the physical address that they claimed. They also proved to us that a key member of their management team, the Chief Marketing Officer, actually exists. We went to his LinkedIn profile and he claims there that he is the CMO of this company. The fact that they have registration with relevant authorities in Canada and some also in the United States with certificates and proof with links also gives them an air of legitimacy. Then, Forex market is a risky market, guys. So if you are partnering with this company, see, whether they are legitimate or not, the Forex market is a risky market. The fact that somebody is a legitimate and skilled trader in the Forex market does not mean that they will not incur losses. No matter how well crafted or designed a robot is, there will be shortcomings at some times when the market would run against the design of the robot. So invest only what you can afford to lose. But this company looks good, and the feedback we've gotten from present users is that the robot has been profitable. So if you want to give it a trial, you can go ahead and give it a trial. Let's have a conversation in the comment section below. What has your experience been so far with Intelligence Prime Capital? I rate them a 6/10. Well, they're okay. They're okay from what we can see so far. But we'll keep our eyes on the markets and we keep watching them to get feedback from current users. Then we can have further information about them. I hope you enjoyed this review. If you did, give it a like, share it with your friends on social media, subscribe to this YouTube channel if you haven't done so up to this point. Till I see you in another review, I remain Victor Isibo. It is bye for now. Till I